This week in science. There is currently tension growing over a nuclear war between North Korea and the United States of America. The USA and North Korea are both fighting over the potential of a nuclear war. In fact, Donald Trump has stated that if the US is forced to defend itself or its allies, they'll have no choice but to totally destroy North Korea. However, North Korea should not be underestimated, despite it being smaller than the US state of Texas. In fact, even though it seems so small compared to the US state, just take a look at the statistics for how big it is. Over 120,000 kilometers squared. So how will they destroy a country that's so large? There is only one way: to bomb it. So today we will discuss nuclear weapons and how they are made. First, we must understand what a bomb is. The definition of bomb is a container filled with explosive, incendiary material, smoke, gas, or other destructive substance designed to explode on impact or when detonated by a time mechanism, remote control device, or lip fuse. The word bomb originates from the Greek bombos, going into the Latin bombas, meaning booming or humming, to Italian bomba, and then finally the French bombe, to what we know from the 17th century on as bombe. Now that we have that covered, let's move on to how atomic bombs are made. Nuclear binding energy is the energy that you have to put into the atom in order to break it apart into its constituent protons and neutrons. This is called nuclear fission. If you add nuclear binding energy to an atom, it will immediately bind the atom, as the name suggests. Split in the right position, the nucleus will release many more nuclei, creating a powerful explosion of nuclei, creating what's known as a mushroom cloud, as it takes the shape of a mushroom, of course. However, 120,540 kilometers squared is a lot of distance to cover and would take over 100,000 kilotons. This sounds like a job for Hydro! Not you, Hydro Shrek! I mean hydrogen bomb, duh! It's the most powerful bomb of all time. It has uranium-238 casing, and it of course has its neutron, heavy hydrogen lithium casing, uranium-235, and of course the TNT. Perhaps it has the velocity to fulfill Trump's dream of destroying his arch rivals, North Korea. Thank you for watching, and of course, stay tuned for the next week's episode of Fact4aThought.
Quick, add a meme at the end so that they laugh.
Okay, here goes then. Have you ever wondered what sound an atom makes when it's exploded? Well, here you go then.
The thing goes and the boom.
That was totally unnecessary.